description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got this. This is Lucky Me Pancit Canton hot chili flavor? Hot chili flavor. So how you doing? It is March 9th. 2026. I hope you're having a wonderful day. We're gonna have some Pancit Canton, ladies and gentlemen. Oh boy, it's kind of like if I was gonna describe it to somebody who was keen on instant noodles, I'd be like, it's kind of gonna remind you a lot of Indomie, but it's different. The serving size is definitely a lot smaller, but it's good. Good. So, what's been going on? Yeah, we had oil go up to 117 bucks a barrel. That's crazy. Totally crazy business, you know. But in bigger news, at least personally, it looks as though we are going to move. Yes, we are going to leave our fair Kenmore for more affordable lands. It'll be a while, so don't worry. The show's not going to change. In fact, I'm so far ahead, which is nice. It'll be like an episode like this. I'm thinking I just won't warn you. It'll be an episode like this, you know. And then the next episode will be like, hey, what happened? I'm in a new kitchen with new stuff and new things going on. You'll think it's a dream, but it'll be reality, the new reality. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it'll go well. Yeah, they want to raise our rent $200 a month. Can you believe it? That's insane. It's like, it's expensive already. Found a place that's gonna be like $50 more a month, but it's a 3-bedroom as opposed to a 2-bedroom, and we have 2 growing children that could probably just use their own rooms at this point, so there you go. But yeah, went out, did my walking, you know, did the do. Now I'm back. It's gonna be weird walking in a new place, but there'll be a lot of opportunities for new intros and outros. I've been kind of slack on doing those, I'll admit. Ooh, so this sachet is really hard. Not anymore. See? There's nothing wrong with sachets that get like that color to them. It's just that it's gotten cold and it just kind of toughens up. Toughens up. You know, when I say that, the thing that comes to mind is Silence of the Lambs. Toughened it up, didn't it? That's not what he says, but I'm not going to repeat it. That was a good movie. I saw that in the theater when it came out, and I've seen it countless times thereafter. But yeah, Silence of the Lambs, good flick. Yeah. I should probably do these first, but yeah, this was like orange and dark, and stiff. Just a little bloop, melted it. Well, it caused it to be lugubrious yet again. There we go. So one is a soy sauce kind of thing, and one is a seasoned oil. Yeah. I wish there was a way they could make those sachets so I didn't get it all on me. I don't like getting that crap on my fingers, but there's nothing you can do about it, is there? Well, there is. You can wash it off your hands. I know. Here, don't make fun of me. Actually, I heard something awful. So, in the beginnings of the Iran war, which I'm guessing you guys are still watching Iran war, or are you in Cuba now? Either way, there was a schoolhouse, a school for young girls. And as it turns out, we blew it up. And as it turns out, the reason is because AI told us to. It's like, I'm sorry, it's war, guys. It's not a set it and forget it thing. It's not the Ronco quick and easy oven. It's war. You gotta be a little more hands-on than that. Frickin' amateurs, I tell ya. Well, can we like go do other stuff? No. You're warring. There is the noodle. Let's try it. Greasy, salty, soy, a little bit of heat. That's good. It's almost buttery. And I got this new plate. Look at that. That was found at H Mart. The noodle was not. But I got a bunch of noodles yesterday too. We went to H Mart. Oh, Boise's. That was rad. That's better. There we go. Got that. We got some scallion. Yeah. Alert. This one's pretty rad. I'm liking it. We need more. We need... Yeah. This is pretty cool. I'm liking this on my playlist. Some sesame seed? Why not? Yeah. Let's see if I can tease this out a little bit. That egg just didn't seem to... I think AI will not be aimed that away, but I'll aim it at Photoshop. Alright. Now, let's see if I can get this. Let's see if that does it. Well, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, a lot of crazy stuff going on, huh? There will be more crazy stuff going on, and I'll tell you more about it. So yeah. And yeah, moving. Wow. 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 This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.